Okay, so I'm currently in the Dollar Tree parking lot. You guys, it is fall time. Who's excited? This is like the busiest parking lot of life right now. So I've been attempting to film this intro for like 10 minutes. I don't even remember the fall decor I have from last year, but I just wanted to check out Dollar Tree to see what they had and show you guys and do like a shop with me kind of thing. I have a doctor's appointment in like an hour and a half kind of in this area. And I just realized that there's a Burger King in the same parking lot, and I've been wanting to try the Burger King Impossible Burger, so I might get that after we do some Dollar Tree. But let's head into Dollar Tree. I tried to choose like the biggest Dollar Tree we have, but if you're excited for this shop with me and you want to see more, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I have a Walmart shop with me video, so I'll link that in the eye and down below, but let's go check out what they have for fall. So this Dollar Tree actually didn't have a whole lot. They had two kind of main little stands with fall things on it on either side. I got these 3 pumpkins, which you guys will see later, but they had some cute little glitter leaves you could throw on the table if you're doing like a centerpiece kind of thing. And then they had these burlap leaves as well that I thought were cute. Everything else was, I don't know, they had a few cute things. I liked these little pumpkins, but they actually had clips on the other side. So I guess most of this was actually for like present wrapping, which I thought was interesting. I did like the little gold sparkly kind of pumpkin picks, but I wasn't quite sure what you would use those for. Let me know if you guys had any ideas. But I thought these were cute too, these little glitter foam pieces. I feel like you could put those in a bowl and it might look cute. And then again, the white pumpkin clips. They had some ribbon and some like table liners and stuff down below. And then they had their fall florals out. I feel like other stores, like other craft stores, have way better florals. Obviously, they're a little bit more expensive, but you can get them on really good sales. I felt like Dollar Tree's looked a little bit cheap, but they had these cute signs. If I had like a full-on yard in the front, I would totally get one of these. I liked the little bike one, the Happy Harvest, I thought was cute. Okay, I just ended up in this random neighborhood. Look how pretty. What the heck? Where am I? I am right here. So basically Dollar Tree was an epic fail. I still got a few things, but that was like the weirdest Dollar Tree I've ever been in. It wasn't even that it was picked through, it seemed like there was just like a weird stock. Like they only had a couple tiny little things of fall decor, so maybe they're waiting till like the back to school stuff clears out. I got a few fall things, but then just some other random stuff. And then I went to Taco Bell for lunch, only the healthiest. I couldn't get in the Burger King mood. I really want to try the Impossible vegetarian hamburger thing, but today's not the day. I just couldn't get in the mood. So I figured we would go to TJ Maxx, since that's like right by my appointment, and try and find some more fall things. So hopefully TJ Maxx has their fall stuff stocked up. I'm gonna drive over there, eat my Taco Bell, show you guys what I got. Okay, I forgot I also had to run to the P.O. box, so I just did that really quick. So now I'm starving. I'm in the doctor's parking lot. Let me show you guys what I got really quick. So I think I'm gonna run to TJ Maxx after this appointment because I definitely don't have time. Dollar Tree. So they did have a few really cute black and white pumpkin items, and the glitter is totally coming off of this one. But how cute are these little guys? I thought these would be cute in like the background of my videos. Last year I did a really like classic, I guess, fall theme, which I still want to do, but I want to do black and white either in my room or for the background of my videos. So I thought these would be cute. Obviously each were $1, and they definitely have some like dents and things, but it's okay. They all have one good side. That's all that matters, you know? So I got 2 things of little candle tea lights because I have this gold long candle tray thing in my dining room that's been there for forever without candles in it. So I finally have 2 of them. I got fresh linen, and then I got this candle holder. So this wasn't in the fall section, but it looks really fall to me, and I love the color of this. So I'm gonna put a tea light in here, and I'll probably put it in with some kind of fall things. That was really the only fall things they had, like cute stuff that I got. And then I just got some other random stuff. So I can't remember the brand, but my friend got me this candle that's like the high-end one. Can't remember what brand it is, but it looks exactly like this. So they had like dupes for it basically, and they actually smell pretty good. They smell nothing like what it says. It says blushed white wine. It smells like straight up cinnamon. Like it smells for sure like a fall candle. And then this light pink one, which I'll probably keep for like spring. This one says sparkling prosecco. It smells like just like really light floral kind of scent. Both of them I think smell really good, almost like sweet pea. And then the last few things I got were all very random. I had one of these at one point, but I have no idea where it went, so I wanted to pick up another. It's just a hair donut. These are really good for making like giant top buns, which I plan on doing lots of in the fall. So got one of these. They come in different colors too if you don't have black hair. And then I got happy birthday candles just because I feel like these are those things that whenever it's someone's birthday, you're like, crap, I have to go run out and get candles. So if you already have them and you only paid $1, you know, why not? And then last thing I got is the Crest 3D White, just because I saw it there. I usually switch between this and the Colgate Optic White. I like the Colgate Optic White a little bit more, but if I find this on sale or if I happen to be at the Dollar Tree, I'll buy it. I think this one is a little bit smaller than usual, but that's okay. I can put it in with my travel stuff. So that was everything I picked up at Dollar Tree. So only a few fall things. Let's do a Taco Bell haul, shall we? So I only wanted a Crunchwrap Supreme, but the guy working there was super funny. Made my day, but he said that it's cheaper to get this combo thing, so I got like 3 things for $5 instead of $6.22, because I got a small Diet Coke originally, and that was going to be more for a Crunchwrap Supreme and a small Diet Coke than a medium Diet Coke, Crunchwrap Supreme, and like 2 other things. America, man. I've never tried these. It came with these. I'm not gonna eat all this. I'll probably just eat the Crunchwrap Supreme, honestly, but it came with these little cinnamon twist things. Should we try one? I like how I'm eating Taco Bell right outside my doctor's office right now. Those don't really do anything for me. So I got everything with beans instead of meat, but this is just a taco, I guess. So this was the extra thing. The Crunchwrap Supreme, I think, is like a double. It feels like it weighs 10 pounds. I'm gonna do my doctor's appointment, eat some tacos, and I'll see you guys back when I'm shopping, wherever that's at. Doctor's appointment is complete. I actually didn't have to do what I thought I was gonna have to do, so I'm very happy. But we're about to go hard in TJ Maxx. Here we go. So here was kind of their main display as you walk in towards the home decor stuff. I really liked the Happy Fall Y'all sign. Thought that was cute, and some of the plaid like napkins and things they had. They had some really cute fall mugs. Okay, I'm obsessed with this. I feel like I want to do my room like black and white themed, but I love these little star pumpkins. I'm kind of regretting not getting one. Also really liked the black and white, but just the whole like black and white pumpkin theme right now, I feel like I'm really into. So TJ Maxx is the place to buy Rae Dunn. A lot of people collect Rae Dunn, and there's always a full stock at TJ Maxx and Marshalls too, but all of these mugs that you see here with this type of writing, those are all Rae Dunn. They had a couple fall themed ones, like they have a gobble behind there. Most of them were just like normal though. I almost got this I Love Fall mug. I was very tempted, but listen, I'm at the point in my mug collecting career where I can basically only get a mug if I'm like 11 out of 10 obsessed because I have no space. I thought these wine glasses were beautiful. I did end up getting both of these. They were each $3.99. I'm gonna show you guys a little haul of the things I did end up getting at the end, but those are going in the cart, folks. This was the first time I had seen the Rae Dunn black version. I think these are fairly new. I haven't seen it before this. I've seen other people like post about it, but I hadn't actually felt one, and this bowl is weirdly soft, and I just loved the size and the blackness, and this mug was super cute too. You know, was tempted, but I passed. Of course, they were fully stocked on fall candles. I think they had like 3 or 4, yeah, like 4 to 5. Okay, 5 rows of candles, all fall. These two, if you can find these, I thought both of these smelled really nice. I didn't need any fall candles yet, so I didn't pick any up, but both of those smelled really good and the packaging was cute. And then I did find a Rae Dunn pumpkin candle. I was very tempted to get this. You could burn through this and then actually use the pumpkin thing as like a little cup. And then they had some cute little Halloween themed towels and some really pretty wreaths. I did like that top white one with the pine cones. I made a fall leaf last year. I'll link the video down below. I did like a DIY on it. I made my own and I really like it, so I'm just going to reuse that one. And they had some fake sunflowers and some cute little signs. I really liked the pumpkins for sale sign and a couple different ones. And then they also had, what did they have? What am I about to show you? I don't remember. Oh, some more towels. There we go. Great voiceover work, Taylor. Okay, I was so conflicted on these, you guys. I need to know your opinions down below. These were suitcases by Calpac. I think they're so cute and I'm tempted. I just don't know if I'd have the balls to actually wheel it around the airport. My go-to strategy in the airport is usually like wear all black and just kind of hide. So I don't think this is really gonna help with that, you know, but let me know what you guys think of those. They had a decent amount of fall colored clothing out. It seemed like they hadn't fully switched everything over from summer, but there were a few things. So I thought that shirt was super cute. And then they had some cute corduroy fall colored things. I really liked this mustard yellow one. And then I found this jacket, which didn't look good on me, but I feel like it could look really cute on someone else. So I wanted to put it in here, but I really liked the color and it's that really pretty like comfy looking material. I don't remember ever seeing anything like this last year. I thought these were so cute. I didn't get them because they looked pretty fake, but the idea was cute. I like the succulent stuffed in the pumpkin. The orange was just like friggin' neon orange and looked super fake. And then they had their full assortment of pumpkin flavored coffees out. I actually think that pumpkin flavored coffee sounds better in theory than how it actually tastes. I personally think it's pretty nasty. Let me know if you are pro pumpkin or not down below. Okay, so I just got home. Had a little snack. I want to show you guys what I ended up getting at TJ Maxx. I had a lot of fall stuff out at TJ Maxx, like definitely way more than Dollar Tree, but I still feel like they're kind of waiting on a couple shelves to open up to like put more fall things in. So I mostly got a few things. Like I didn't get too wild. I just picked up a few fall-y kind of shirts. This first one is like a waffle print. It's $9.99. Super soft and it's just cute. It has like, we're gonna wait on that. Oh my god, this feels like the longest spring of my life. Okay, so it's short sleeve, it has buttons all the way down, and then it has this cute little tie at the bottom. This one I thought would be mostly like a filming shirt. I always look for high neckline shirts because that's all you see, and colors that I don't already have, because I usually try and like coordinate my eyeshadow with my shirt, and usually I'll put on the shirt first, and then that kind of like determines what kind of eyeshadow I do for a video. So this one was just like a unique, there, I feel like right there it's kind of showing up better. It's a unique color. It's like chocolatey, but also kind of like a wine purple. And this was only $5.99. I don't know what this material is. It's really soft. I love this next one. Same color as I'm wearing right now, but this is $12.99. Super cute, just little fall print shirt. I feel like this is a good one to transition where it's like the beginning of fall where it's not super cold yet, but it still is fall and like, you know, fall leaves are happening and things. I love the little buttons going down and then the tie at the bottom. If you're short, I find that shirts with the tie at the bottom are really flattering because they don't like drown you, and it can almost like make your legs look a little bit longer. I think I mentioned in a past vlog that I needed kind of like snacky bowls and things for when people come over, and I thought this Ray Dunn bowl, I'm all about the new black Ray Dunn stuff, and this one that says yum I thought was super cute. It was $5.99 and it's really soft. So when I moved into this place, I ordered wine glasses online, and I wanted like the big, you know, like the really big ones that are just nice to like hold and drink wine out of, but the ones I ordered were like bowl size. Like they are extra large wine glasses. They're almost like comical, they're so big. So I actually did need wine glasses. So I saw these stemless glasses and I thought they were so pretty. I'm really into sunflowers right now, so I got this one. Both these were $3.99 and they feel really nice and like thick glass too and heavy. This one's really pretty. I think these are poppies, right? No, it says right. Yeah, poppy. Look at that. Same thing, $3.99. I just thought these were so pretty. These are kind of more like summery, but I feel like it's fine for like year round, especially this one's kind of more fall, the sunflowers. But that was everything I got at TJ Maxx. I was debating getting that last wooden pumpkin I showed that had like the metal top. It was super heavy. It felt like good quality, but it was 20 bucks. And I'm pretty sure I had like 35 pumpkins from last year. So I was gonna hold off on that until I could see what pumpkins I have and where I'm gonna put them. I do want to get some kind of like fall garland thing for the mantle, like above the fireplace, because I remember going from fall to winter decor last year, and I had so many more things on the mantle for winter, and it looked so pretty and like holiday-y, but in the fall I don't think I had anything there. So that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed doing some fall shopping today. If you want to see other stores like Home Goods or Walmart or anything, let me know down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. Lots of fall content coming on both YouTube and on Instagram. I have lots of things planned, so stay tuned. But I love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.